don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. Ooh, yeah. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there, made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
Guys, happy Valentine's Day weekend. Today is Saturday, and this is the day that we're going to be celebrating our Valentine's Day, because I try to avoid all the crowds, have no interest in eating at a restaurant on Valentine's Day because it's just crowded, and I don't look forward to the lines and the long wait, whether you have a reservation or not. So we always try to avoid going to restaurants or doing anything on actual Valentine's Day. So last year, we actually did our own little Valentine's Day here at the house. We grilled food and just enjoyed a nice evening together. And then Travis got me roses. And yesterday, when I came home from work, I'll show you in a little bit, he surprised me with 24 roses and baby breath. And for all of my friends that know me and my family, I absolutely love fresh cut flowers here at home. So it was a nice little surprise to come home to roses from Travis. But on today's agenda, we have a reservation booked at a winery, and it's like a wine chocolate pairing, and then they're going to make like wood brick oven pizza, and it's going to be in the wine barrel room. So I am absolutely excited for that. It's going to be a nice way to enjoy a Valentine's Day weekend together at a winery. So you know, it works out because we love our wine. We don't drink wine that often, but every now and then we just love to enjoy a nice bottle of wine. So we're going to be doing that today. And also, last weekend, I went to IKEA and picked up a Birds of Paradise. So I need to find a pot for it, but I'm going to show you that. I am so wanting to beat spring already. We live in the tippity top of North Texas, and it has been cold, and I hate the cold weather. I like the warmth, the sunshine. So for all my awesome friends and viewers that are watching, if you live in a warm climate, you know, please send some warm air our way, because I'm so sick of the cold. Like today, the high is 50 degrees or 54. The low was like in the low 30s. And like a week or so ago, we had a terrible ice storm, and it's been cold every day, gloomy. Today it's nice and sunny, so I'm so happy about that because I love sunny days, but definitely sick of the cold. I am preparing myself for the spring. We're going to be doing a spring transition, and I'm going to be showing you, I bought an aloe vera plant and Birds of Paradise, and I want to do an herb garden. So I'm doing my research, and it's not going to be nothing big, something small, but I love to cook. So I want all the fresh herbs because you know, I just love adding herbs to all of our dishes, so that'll be awesome. So I'm going to be working on that this spring, and I'm going to be redoing my front flower bed, so we're going to be fixing up that area. So a lot of spring content, because I'm ready to do like a little home indoor outdoor refresh, so looking forward to that. But yeah, so I am going to finish sipping my coffee, but I'm also going to show you the roses that Travis bought me, or actually you probably already saw in the morning snippet. So they were just so pretty. And then I'm going to show you the little 2 plants that I bought at IKEA. IKEA is starting to bring out more plants since spring is right around the corner. So I bought a little baby aloe vera, and I bought me a birds of paradise. I just want to find something really pretty to put, like a pot to put that plant in. So when I tell you guys I look like a hot mess today, I seriously do. I have a t-shirt, this oversized flannel, leggings. This is like home attire, and my house shoes. I do not look cute by any means, but when I'm at home, I'm in my little comfy space and I look crazy. But I did want to show you guys the plant that I got. And I'm hoping this plant grows really, really tall, because I feel like it would give it some dimension to this office. It's in my I work from home a lot, so it's in my home office space. So let me show you. This is my little workstation. So here is a little aloe vera plant that I bought. So I need to go ahead and repot it because it's still in its little container here. So I need to put some soil in that. And then here's the birds of paradise. So with this plant here, I need to repot it as well, but I need to find a nice, a little pretty, aesthetic, cute pot to put it in. And then I can water it, and I get a lot of sunshine in the office space. So those are the little 2 plants that I bought. This little plant at IKEA, the aloe vera, is $4.99 that I bought it for. And the little terracotta pot that I bought was like $5 at IKEA. And then the birds of paradise plant here was, I think, like $30 or $34, one of the two. But they're known to grow pretty tall, so I'm going to have it in the office. And if ever it gets just too tall, I'll put it outside. The 2 little plants that I bought. And look at the little roses, which I've shown you guys. I already shown you guys the roses that Travis got me, but I want to show you guys again because they're so pretty. My love got me that set and this set of roses. So flower just makes the home feel so inviting. So I am going to go hang out with our youngest boy. He's going to go practice tennis because he's on the tennis team. Or he has a tournament coming up, and he's going to be outside practicing. Show him your thing. That's that there. And his first tournament is when?
This Wednesday.
Wednesday. Show him some support. So I'm about to go outside and get a little bit of sunshine and just be there to support him and watch him play.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
All right, guys, we were outside repotting the aloe vera plants that we got from IKEA. And then I came inside and laid on the couch, and yep, fast forward, I was out. I was trying to watch a movie and I fell asleep, and I needed that little nap. But I'm going to kind of get myself a little put together because we're about to go to our dinner that we reserved at the winery for our Valentine's dinner. So I'm going to go get ready. And Travis was getting ready, and look what this crazy busted out with. He's like, how do you like my outfit? We are not in Christmas. He's a mess. So he's gonna go change, and I'm gonna try to make myself a little presentable. And I slept with my hair last night wet. I hate falling asleep with my hair wet because it gets all crazy and it doesn't like, I don't know, it's just terrible, but I don't care. I'm just going to go make do and just try to get myself together and the best that I can so we can go have a wonderful Valentine's night. So let me get a little makeup on and get going.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say
Beso.
that you can take
Give me
me
a
high.
He doesn't want to kiss me because
I don't want it all over me.
he doesn't want to get lipstick on him.
Feels like I can
Jeez.
fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Okay, guys, we are back home and we had such a wonderful night. The winery was a nice experience. What did you think about it?
I enjoyed it. It's nice.
It was a nice, like, chocolate and wine pairings. I know that I do not like dry wines. What about you?
Sweet.
We're big time, like, sweet wine drinkers, such as Moscato. Which other one? Riesling.
Walmart.
Stop. We just buy regular bottles of wine. We're not real fancy with them, but we did have a good weekend and enjoyed spending time with my little sweet Valentine. Even though he doesn't like me. Do you like me? How much?
Like a lot.
Like that much?
Like way out here.
All right, guys. We are going to close out the vlog because we're going to go ahead and end the night and watch a movie. And hopefully I can stay awake during the movie. But I enjoyed hanging out with you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys. Bye.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds, because without you by